Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the location of the default template folder in Excel. This is the folder where Excel looks when you insert a new sheet or workbook. So, if you want to save templates that show up automatically in the New dialog, this is where they need to go. Step 1. Show the Developer tab. If the Developer tab isn't visible on your ribbon, right-click on any existing tab and select Customize the ribbon. Tick the box for Developer and click OK. Step 2. Open the Visual Basic editor. Go to the Developer tab and click Visual Basic. In the Visual Basic window, make sure the immediate window is visible. If it isn't, go to View, Immediate Window. Step 3. Find the Template folder. In the immediate window, type the following line of code: $application.templates path. Press Enter, and Excel will display the full path of your default template folder. This is where you can save your templates so they appear automatically when inserting new sheets. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to save your Excel templates. That's all for this video. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.